Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, ever wondered how to sneak in a few Clash of Clans raids during a school break on your Chromebook? It's a common question, but school devices often come with pretty tight restrictions, making it tough to just download any game. Today, we're going to dive into the realistic options for playing Clash of Clans on your school Chromebook in 2025, all while keeping things safe and above board. Let's explore what might work for you. The best and most straightforward way to play Clash of Clans on a Chromebook is through Android app support. Many newer Chromebook models actually allow you to run Android apps directly from the Google Play Store. Just open your Chromebook settings and look for the Apps or Google Play Store section. If it's enabled and accessible, you can simply search for Clash of Clans and download it. This is by far the easiest, most official method, assuming your school hasn't blocked it. Now, what if Android app support is blocked or unavailable on your specific school Chromebook? It's important to understand why. Schools implement security measures to ensure devices are primarily used for learning. These blocks often prevent installing unauthorized apps or accessing certain websites, and are designed to keep the learning environment focused. Trying to bypass these security systems is not recommended, as it can lead to disciplinary actions from the school. If playing on the school Chromebook isn't an option, consider using your own personal mobile phone or tablet for Clash of Clans. Most schools have clear policies on personal device use, often allowing them during designated break times like lunch or before and after school. This approach keeps your school Chromebook entirely for academic tasks, preventing any conflicts or accidental rule breaking. It's a simple, stress-free way to enjoy your game. Ultimately, the most important thing is to always prioritize your education and respect your school's technology policies. Remember, school-issued devices are provided for learning, not for personal entertainment during class. By understanding and following the rules, you avoid potential disciplinary actions and ensure your school Chromebook remains a helpful tool for your studies. Playing responsibly means you stay out of trouble and maintain a good academic record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.